Welcome back to Guitarlele Tutorials. Today we are going to count ants and we'll learn why to do that. Let's see how we perform downstrum on each beat. Two, three, four. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Notice here, after each downstrum, we are pulling our hand up, but we don't use that stroke. In our next strumming exercise, we'll learn how to use this stroke for an up strum. If you have watched my play along video of Rubadu, you may have noticed that I am actually using the upstroke to play chords too. That's what is an up strum. We'll dig deeper into that in our next lesson, but going there we'll need another smooth hand movement. So we need practice. The practice is to count the ants. Ants are basically the interval between the two full beat counts and comes in between 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 1. We'll start with already familiar 1, 2, 3, 4 count. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And after every number, we are going to count ant. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay? That's it. Make everything equally spaced. Don't count like 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Nothing like that. A smooth flow of 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Tap your foot on beat 1, 2, 3, 4 and count 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So what I'm doing here is I'm starting the metronome and I'm knocking on the Guitalele body, okay, for the numbers. So I'll show what I mean. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Now you can further enhance this exercise by sweeping your hand up and down along with the counts. Every number is a downwards motion and on return of hand count ant. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. For this exercise to do, you don't need your instrument. You can just tap foot, count out loud and swing your hand. Hopefully, you understand the benefits of counting 1, 2, 3, 4. So, not going in there. You should understand by this time that counting may look boring and no actual learning, but it helps a lot. So, counting 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and will also help you. Happy counting, and we'll meet in our next lesson on up strums.